ones, welcome back to again my YouTube channels. Today the front of you again I have come to taking on new topics from the book of 10th class. That book name is here Food Pin Without Feet, and which topic about I am to display the front of you also. The topic is here Food Pin Without Feet. About of that you will have to read today in this video. All of the student I am telling of you, please you listen carefully of that whole sentences from that story to very carefully, and also I am telling you all my viewer, if you have understood of that whole story sentences, then you must contribute, whether you must distribute with your friend. The friend who is knowing something in English, with them you must follow and you must share. If you will be sharing like this many sentences to speaking in English with each another friend, within few days and within some days also the English will have in your front arm, and also you will feel to very comfortable in talking anything in English. So my all viewer, please you do not neglect to listening of that whole story sentences. If you neglect in listening, then all life will be neglected from getting of great success. So I am telling of you, as you will think according that you will get in your life. If your thinking will have to positive, all those estimate will come just according of our positive, and if our thinking will become to negative, also our whole work will be done with negativity. So I am telling of you have not need to think too much of any sentences about with negative, no any idea let you bring up in the minds to thinking in negative, because you are knowing already of that negative makes negative, and negative energy gives us negative powers. So negative you never bring up in the mind. If you are thinking about of our English speaking, then sure I am telling you, definitely I am telling you, you can speak anything in English, you will be able to speak anything in English. I am telling of you the student who is the thinker of Hindi or common language, and who is wanting to convert of that whole sentences English, but it can't be possible to divert of that all Hindi sentences by the common language sentences just into English, because you whole time keep on talking of Hindi language or common language, and you are reading of for English from very recently time, and you are wanting to convert of that into English, then it will take to few times after making practice, or after having so much experience, or English will come in term, and you will be able to discuss with very easily manners with each another. So my dear all viewer, which things about I have told of you, you follow, and you do not defeat from our ambition, whether you do not defeat from our target, which about target you have made in your life. About of that plan, always you keep current, and keeping to current of that all plan, you go to make successful of your life. You will not become unsuccess in your target, whether in your ambition. Then let me start which topic about I have to discuss the front of you on that topic. Just I am going, and all the sentences about of the topics I am going to have in my own language, because already I have told of you in my each video. These all books or sentences or words have given to differences that has not like to just understand, that is not like to just insert in the mind of that whole cognitions, as many cognitions have given in that whole book of sentences, word or sentences, that will not be entered to just in your mind. So I have thought of that I shall explain of all those sentences in my own way for right understanding you all. Then you take care. Let's be ready and keep care of your listening power the way of me, and you do not leave to watching of that video till where that video will be made. Till there you must watch, and you understand exactly of all those story points, and all those questions will be asked from that chapter. Also you can able to solve of that all question answer. You will not get of any hassle to solving of any question answer related from this chapter. Then what is the topic here all of you? Foot pin without feet means there is any person in this story, and that person becomes to invisible, becoming invisible. When he wanders in the street, then no any people looks there, and without people there is coming out the imprints of feet. So this is very surprise meter is coming in that story. That's why there has given in the heading of that chapter footprint without feet. There is one person in this story. His name is Griffin. He is very centric scientist, means he is very cook scientist. He is very demented scientist. He is very crazy scientist. Whatever things he brings up in the minds about of that, he experiments or he devise in his lives. If he is thinking of that, I shall have to discover to any types of the thing, then he is sourced to discovering of that thing. Just like that, one matter has come in the mind of Griffin named scientist. Means also the human body can be transparented like of any ghost. As we can't see of any ghost, only we can realize. Just like that, also the human body can be transparented or not. Like this matter was moving in the mind of this Griffin named scientist. After that, he started to research and he became too successful to researching of that. After researching, he is telling of you, he was living the near of London. He was not living in his personal home. He was living in any rented room. And in which place he was living, in the same place he researched of one drugs for making invisible human's body. And when he became too successful to discovering of that kinds of medicines, then just he thought of that, actually this medicine I should test in my self body. So in which place he was living, in which room he was living, who was the room owner of that room, in which place Griffin named scientist was living, that room owner, almost time he kept on asking of the room fare. But he had not money at that moment, so what will he give of that room rent of that room master? So one day he became to very angry. When room master came to asking of room fare, then he thought of that, actually I am telling of you, I have not lots of the money, I have not money this time, then what to give of you. Like this matter he was imagining. But that room master was again and again poking, again and again provoking, give me room fare, give me room fare. After that, just in the mind of the Griffin, created one matter, you are asking to me so many times, I shall give of you, do not worry about of that. He is thinking inside of the mind. And also he has thought of that, actually one which mission I was experimenting, in that experiment I have become to success. I shall have to check of that drugs to using in my self body. And in the next day, what happened in early morning, in which room he was living, in the same room he set fire. After setting fire in that home, just he used of that drugs, and after using of that drugs, just he became to invisible body. And when he is made to invisible body, just he is thinking of that, if I shall leave to wearing of these whole parts of the cloth, then my cloth will be appear the front of any public. So actually I should not keep up these whole parts of the dresses in my body. I should put off of this whole cloth from my body, and just he put of that. After putting of that, he became to exactly invisible, and he became to homeless person and loveless person. You are knowing already, all of you, which person is called of the homeless person? The person who has not home, who has not of any things for living, whether for abiding, for inhabiting. That person is called homeless person. Just like that, also he has been. After becoming to homeless and loveless person, he thought of that where to stay. Then just he decided, I should not stay in the village area. If I shall stay in the village area, then the persons who will see to me, that person will kill to me. So thinking this matter, just he is gone away in London way, and he is wandering in London street to becoming invisible. Means now he is not looking. He has not of any cross in the body of Griffin. He is exactly bare body. No any person could see the body of Griffin. He was made like of one air. As the air blows, we can't see, only we can realize, we can feel. Just like that, also he had been like of one air. No anybody could see the body of Griffin, because now he has used of that drugs by which drugs the human body can be transparented. Like that medicine he has used in his body, and after using of that, also he has set a struck fire in that home, in which homes he used to live, and he went away to London. And when he went to London, then he is walking in the London street to becoming invisible. And it was the month of December, and in the month of December, all of you are knowing already of that how much is cool. And when the cool started to feel in the body of Griffin, then he is feeling that very shivering, very shuddering. He is shuddering to very much at evening time, because from whole age he kept on wandering here and there, and he was thinking of that when it will become to night, then I shall have to enter in any warm cloth shop. And as a stage it becomes to evening time, and when any shops closing times comes, then he is going to searching of any warm cloth shop, where in which shop is available so much warm cloth. In that shop near he is going, and he is looking, there is one shop in London, and there are one or two shopkeeper in that shop, and it becomes to night about 10 o'clock, and the near of that shop he is stood up. And when that shopkeeper come out from that that shops for closing of that shutter of that door, then he is entered inside of that shop. In which shop he is entered? He is entered in warm cloth shop, because he is very bare body. He has not of any cloth in all parts of the body, and he was shuddering that time, because you are knowing already of that. I have repeated of that matter in the beginning of that story. In the summer months it is very cool, so on account of the cools he was shuddering very much. So he thought of that, for saving of my life from the cool, actually I should wear of any warm cloth in my body, then my life can be saved. That's why he is going the front of one warm cloth shop. And when the shopkeeper come out from that shop for closing the door, at that same moment he is entered in that warm cloth shop for wearing of any warm cloth. And also both shopkeeper are gone away to closing of their shops shutter, and Griffin is gone inside of that warm cloth shop. He is telling of you here, the writer who has written this story, that writer is defining to all of us, when he is entered in that inside of room, then first he is wearing of warm clothes in his body. After wearing of that warm cloth, as inners, jackets, caps, muffler, these all the types of the things, it first he wears in his body. After wearing of that, just he is realizing, means I shall have to eat something, because from whole day he was exactly hungry. He did not eat of anything from whole days. So this time he is thinking, I shall have to eat something. And in which shop he was entered? Beside of that shop, just there was one restaurant. He is going in that restaurant, and in that restaurant there were so a species of foods as he is eating, cold meat, and means different type of the sweets he is using to going in that restaurant. And he is satiated, he is gratified to eating of so different type of the foods to going in that restaurant. And after eating of these all the things, just again he is come in the same place from which place he was put one cloth in whole parts of the body. In that same shop again he is come, and he takes rest of that same night. And when he is taking the rest in the night, and when it becomes to next day, and again that shopkeepers come to opening of that shop, and as just as he opened the shutter, and as just as that shopkeeper picks up the shutter of that shop, then suddenly two shopkeepers at that moment came there, and two shopkeepers are looking, one person is inside of my room. When we both shopkeeper came out from this shop. At that time we did not see of any person, and now when in the next day both person are opening the shop, at that moment there was one person inside of that room, and he was exactly invisible. As the stage the shutter was opened, Griffin just is awaking, and after awaking just he is looking in outside. My god, two shopkeepers are standing. Just Griffin is coming out from that shop, and he starts to run. When he start to run in the street of London, just those two shopkeeper follow him. And when two shopkeepers started to follow, just Griffin started to think, my god, today I shall not save. By both shopkeeper, today I shall be killed. So thinking of this matter, just he started to search out of any idea inside of the mind. What to do now? Then just one idea came in the mind of Griffin. Which cloth I have worn in my body, that cloth quickly I should throw out. After that, just he started to put up his whole parts of the cloth from the body, and he threw down. And when he threw down, after that, just he used of that drugs, by which medicines the human's body can be transplanted. That medicine just he used. After using of that, within some while his body is disappeared. Also two shopkeepers don't see actually where is he going, but two shopkeeper only look there the footprints of that person, which person was looking in the first time to visible. Only that person's footprints was coming out from that muddy street. And when he is looking of that only footprints to coming out from that mud, then again both shopkeeper started to run the back of that footprints and started to follow. But Griffin is going to look of that in the back way. Till now two person has not left for following me, and now this time he is thinking, if like this he will be following to me, then really anywhere I shall be caught. So just he decided I should go on the main road, and he is gone in any main road. And when he is gone in the main road, just his footprints is vanished, and no any footprints is coming out in the main road. Then those two shopkeeper started to look to here and there, where has he gone. When he doesn't see of any person in the main road, then again two shopkeeper again are come back in their shop, and also Griffin takes some reliefs, breathing, and he thinks at that moment, my god, today I saved from the hand of two shopkeeper. And now also he is in exactly bare body, as in the first day he was in bare body and he was shuddering from cold. Also in the next day, like this condition is happening with Griffin. He is now exactly in bare body. This time he is thinking what to do or not to do. Also this day I shall have to pass to becoming to bare body. And in the same way it became also in the next day. And next day, just as a stage started to become evening, just he started to make to plan again enter in any shops. And also just there was one shop in London. In that shop there were available so much dramatical shop. There was one dramatical shop, and he decided to enter in that dramatical shop. And as a stage he entered in that dramatical shop, just he started to beat each and other staff. As many staffs were in that shop, all those staff he beat. After beating of that, he is going the main counter where the owner was sitting. Also that owner he beat to very much, but every one person's aback to thinking this, my god, who is beating to me? There is not looking of anybody, but who is beating to me? Actually those all person who were feeling to some jerk in the body, those all person were feeling to very pressure in the body. Then they all were realizing, my god, who is beating to me like of any ghost? I am not looking of any person then who has come here, and they are beating to me. Like this condition was going continuously 1 or 2 hours in that dramatical shop, and all those staff began to fit to beating. After that, when those all became to fit, just Griffin thought, I should steal some money from this shop. And just he started to wear some usable clothes in his body. Just he used one mustache, whisker. Means whisker means which is looking like a mustache and beard. That beard and whisker, and also he used one false eyebrow, false nose, false ear, and one also wore one cap, and again he wore one jacket. Means so many dresses he wore up in his body. After wearing of that, just he is taking out some money from the drawer of that shop and taking out that all money. Just he decided, I shall not stay in this London. If I shall stay till longer time in London, then I shall be caught by someone else and I shall be beaten in the next time. So I should not stay in this place. It is not proper for me to stay any moment to living in this London place. And just he is booking two in one Epping name village. In means what do you understand? In means the temple's house. Where is the house of temple? That village name was Epping, and there was in just in that inn he is booking two rooms in inn. And after booking of that, just he is ridden on a train and he is reaching in Epping name village. And when he is reached in Epping name village, then he is going in that room. Which rooms he has booked from London. And when he is entering in that inn, then just who is the mistress of that inn, she is coming in the room of Griffin, and her name was Mrs. Hall. Means Mrs. Hall was the owneress of inn. She is coming in the room of this Griffin, and she is looking. Griffin has a lots of money. Looking of that money, she is wanting to make friend with Griffin. But Griffin already he was so cleverness. He was thinking of that. Actually, if I shall make friend with this lady, then actually my whole money will be robbed. So thinking this type of the matter, because whole time Mrs. Hall names on race, you'd come in the room of Griffin, and always she was wanting to make friend with Griffin. So Griffin is thinking, if she will come like this in my room, then really one day my all money will be gone in the hand of that mistress. So I shall have to do up anyway. After that, just one day Griffin is telling to coming in very furious mind. He is telling, coming in very wrath mind, I am telling you, you don't come in my room, because which what the cost of 4 in I have given of you already. Then why you are coming again and again in my room? Till when this room fare will not be completed, till then you do not come again in my room. Otherwise it will not be better for you and it will not be better for me. Like this matter, one day Griffin is telling to taking out very hardly matter the front of that Mrs. Hall, and from that day Mrs. Hall is not coming again in the room of Griffin, and Griffin is living too very peacefully in that room. Like this, day to day it was passing, and when it became to very longer months or longer years, longer days, then all those money started to invest day by day, and one day he became to moneyless. He had not of any money. And also one day Mrs. Hall is coming in the room of Griffin, and Mrs. Hall is asking again the room fare of that inn. But that day Griffin tells of that Mrs. Hall, I have not of money now, then what shall I give of you? You wait few days, I shall give of you. That day stately and clearly he denied, I have not of any money. Just I am going to tell of you other incident what happened there. Just which day Griffin clears, I have not money. In the same night, just beside of that inn there was one temple, and in that temples two Kalargi men or women both were living, and in the same night also Griffin is gone in that temples, and he is robbing of some chink money. He is robbing of some coins. As a stage, Griffin is entered in that temple and he starts to take out of that whole money from the temple. Then just beside of that temple, two priests were sleeping, means husband or wife, you understand, both were sleeping in that inn, and both are awakened to listening the chinking voice of that coins, and both are looking there that all money are going automatically. There was not looking of any persons, that money only was coming out from that temple. Looking of this, both are surprised to thinking of this, my God, who is here. And also maybe both person may be thinking about of that, actually today the God has need some money, that's why the money is coming out from that donation box or from the temples. Thinking of this matter, both again means Kalargi men or women both became too silent, and both were looking of that incident, whatever was happening in that inn, whatever was happening in that temple. And in the same time, Griffin has come in this temple for stealing. In the same time, Mrs. Hall at night time also she was awakened, and for any reason she came out from her room and she was going. Where was the room of Griffin? In the same way, also Mrs. Hall was crossing for any work at night time. But when she is reaching the near of Griffin Hall, then she is finding there the Griffin room's door is open clearly. There is not Griffin inside of that room. And till then also Griffin is come back from that temple to stealing of that money. And at that moment Griffin lives in invisible body. He doesn't look at that moment, and Griffin looks actually of this in mistress is looking to standing the front of this door. He looks to very carefully, and also Mrs. Hall is peeping again and again inside of that room. My God, in this midnight, where has that person gone? Where has gone that person who was living in that inn? Like this she was thinking. After that, just in the mind of Griffin created some mischieving matter, and just Griffin started to throw cap, pillow, chair started to move, means all those parts, all those things from the room of Griffin started to sack, started to jump here and there. Mrs. Hall looked from outdoor, from the main gate. Pillow was jumping automatically. The fan blades were moving. The chair was shaking inside of that room, but there was no any person. Looking at this thing, just she started to think, my God, I think in this room there is ghost, because there is not looking of any person, and all those things of these rooms have been alive, and all those things are shaking here. Then who can be here? If here will have of any person, then I can say that person is doing, but I am looking here, there is not any person, and also the person who was living in that room this time also he is not here. Then who can be? Like this method thinking, she started to become senseless, and she became too senseless. And when again she came in sense, then just again somehow she is locking of that Griffin room, and locking of that again she is gone to somehow in her room, and she is fitted on. After that, just Mrs. Hall husband asked with her, you tell to me what happened to you, why have you been fit, what is the matter, what did you see? Like this matter her husband was asking to Mrs. Hall, but Mrs. Hall is telling what to say, in which room that a strange person, whether person who has come from outdoor, who is living in that inn. When I went the front of his room, then I saw he was not in the room, and all those things in the room of that persons were shaking, became to alive. But who can be? I think of that there is ghost. Like this matter was told by Mrs. Hall of her husband, and also Mrs. Hall is thinking this time before in the previous few years also Mrs. Hall mother was living in the same inn where this time Griffin is living. Just in the mind of Mrs. Hall there is running, I think my mother also has died in the same inn. I think my mother has some need of any essential things as pillow, chair, these all the types of the things I think my mother has need. That's why she was sacking of these all things to showing me. Let you give me that. And just by Mrs. Hall, there was called one necromancer, and also necromancer came for exorcising of that ghost from that inn. But when next day happens, then Mrs. Pemprey and necromancer those all go to in the griffin rooms for taking out the ghost, and also she decided I shall have to throw up the whole things from the rooms of that griffin. Also I shall have to throw up that chair, I shall have to throw pillow, I shall have to throw all those things, as many things were in the room of griffin. Because now this time Mrs. Hall is thinking, I think my mother was living the previous time in that room, and now my mother has died, so she has need of many things. I shall have to throw that all those things which things were being used by my mother in this inn. That all those things I shall have to give up mother. And when Mrs. Hall goes in the next day with necromancer, and as just as again she is opening the lock of the room of griffin, then just she is surprised to looking of that person. When she went to closing of that door, at that time there was no any person, and in the next time when she is going in the morning time to opening of that door for taking out all those things from the room of griffin, then now she is finding griffin has sitting in his closed room. Looking of that, just she started to think in the mind, I think whatever was happening in this room, that all things were being done by this person. I think this was the deed by this person. Like this matter started to move in the mind of Mrs. Hall, and also she not thinking this time that was the deed of my mother spirit. She is thinking this time, I think this all deed has been done by this person. And till then also the rumor came from that temples. Also the Kalgi men and women both were telling all those money from the temple has been stolen, and all those money also, as many chink money, while the coins were being stolen, but that all money also were on the bed of griffin. Then Mrs. Hall started to think, I think when I was just standing the front of his room front, at that moment this person had come from that temple to stealing of this all chink money, and he was in any invisible body. That's why he was not looking. Thinking this type of the matter again, Mrs. Hall understood that I should call of the police, and just he is calling of constable who was the nearest of Mrs. Hall police station. Just she is calling, and again just constable comes in the home of Mrs. Hall, and just Mrs. Hall is telling, let you arrest of this person. And when constables comes the near of griffin for arresting, at that moment again he is used of that drugs, again he start to become to invisible, and which bandage he was wrapped in his head or neck. As a stage he used of that drugs, just he is pulling down of that bandage or caps from the head, then just he is made headless person. And as a stage he is made headless person, just the constable man is fitted looking of any without head of person. And when again he comes in sense, then he is thinking again, I shall have to arrest of this man whether he has head or not. And again when he is going the near of griffin for arresting, now griffin is headless person, means he has not head. He had been Now his head had been invisible, and now when again the constable is going to catch the body of Griffin, then just he is putting off jacket and all, and again till where's his cloth is put on, till there he is made invisible, and again he is going to make, constable is going to make up to catch up that Griffin. Then only there only constable is looking, only waist is going, only leg is going, and again he is fitted. Again and again constable is becoming to fit, and when again he is come in the sense, then again he is going to arrest of that person who was not looking upper of the waist. And in all over that place there was having so hue and cry. Everyone was telling, catch him, catch him, catch him. Like this, every one person was telling. And when the constable again is going to catch the thigh of that Griffin, whether the leg of that Griffin, again Griffin is putting up that whole cloth from the legs, and he is made exactly invisible. And Griffin starts to beat to each other to very much. He beats to tottering body of every person from the village of Iping, and when all those persons are fitted, then he takes rest and he is thinking actually which medicine about. Also the people were thinking the human body can't be transparented. I have proved that today. Also the human body can be transparented. And also in that time in Iping village, which person was crying much, catch him, catch him. Especially Griffin was beating of that person to choosing the person who was telling catch him, arrest him, beat him. Those all persons were being beaten by Griffin much and much. And also the constable became to fit. No any persons were in sense from the village of Iping. This story is ending here. All of you, my all dear student who is watching of this video, I will tell them you must watch with very detail. If you watch sometime here, sometime there, then you will not understand of any summary from the parts of this story, which story has been explained only by me, that whole sentences from that story. If you're wanting to understand with very well, then you will have to listen very carefully of these whole sentences explained by me. Then you can understand to very well. I think English explanations for understanding it is more easier than our Hindi explanation. As much as you can understand to better in Hindi explanations, I think you can understand to very best in English explanation. If our listening power will be developed, then if our English power will be developed, then you can feel to very comfortable to understanding to all those sentences which is spoken by someone to whole time in the daily life. So my all viewer, I am telling of you, as this story has been explained by me, please you must follow. And after following that, I am telling you all students, you try to share with each another. If you have liked of these whole parts of the story from the book of Footprint Without Feet, whether from the chapter of Footprint Without Feet, then you must like, subscribe and also comment. If you have problem to anywhere in understanding, then you write in my comment box, then I attempt to tell of that any story choosing of more and more easier word. Till then, bye bye, and I shall visit of you again in the next video. Thanks a lot.